Hello again, another unboxing. My Brew Republic subscription has just arrived. This will be the start of my, I think I've got 5 or 6 beer subscriptions. So, although Brew Republic are folding, so I think this might be the second last one. So, we'll see what's in it this month anyway. A wee note, what does it say? Dear comrade, your subscription is closing. Here's another box of fresh, delicious beers for you to enjoy this month, plus a free glass for you to enjoy them from. As the adage goes, all good things come to an end, and Brew Republic is sadly closing its doors at the end of August. We'll keep your fridge stocked for the next couple of months, but August will be our last month of beer subscription deliveries. We will be deleting all our customer data and you will no longer be charged after August. It has been a real joy for us to curate beer cases for you over the last year. We have met so many inspirational brewers and truly enjoyed helping you find your next favourite beer. So a big thank you for being a part of our craft beer journey, sticking it to the big boys and supporting those small independent brewers instead. So August may be our last monthly delivery of beer, but you'll always be a comrade that made a difference to the craft beer revolution. Long live great beer. So it's very sad that it's closing. But all good things must come to an end. It is a crowded market as well, so we've got a glass, Brew Republic glass, always welcome. Let's have a wee look. Take the insert out. Now, this one I recognise because I've got one in the fridge and I think it's on within the next couple of beers that I'm doing my lagers. So this is from Brew York and it's Freya's Gold. So that is very welcome, really nice. So it looks like there's a couple in them. Oh no, Tom Coco. Guess what? I've got some of them as well. Not in the fridge. I had one of them last week. I never reviewed it. I just drank it. That's going to be a special review. It's very nice, that. Oh yeah. Buck's Beers. And this is called Blockley Blonde Golden Ale. Unfined and unfiltered. I don't know what the ABV is on that. Oh, 4.5%. So I do like a golden ale. Dissolution IPA from O'Kirkstall Brewery in their Leeds. I've had for them before, it was very good if I remember. Sorry about that, that was my friend. Another friend has gone missing and nobody can get in touch with him. His house is empty and we think he's just out and about and his phone hasn't been charged up. So anyway, this is from another Scottish brewery, Stewart Brewing, I think. I don't know if they're Edinburgh. St Giles Scotch Ale. St Giles is the cathedral in Edinburgh. It is Edinburgh's original craft brewery, Stewart Brewing. I don't think I've had a beer from them before. Summit Ruby Ale, Hillside Brewery. I don't think I've had one for them either. Looking forward to that. Malt Days. Now, Malt Brewery, I've had one for them before. Yeah, the brewery's called Malt. Sunshine in a glass, a New Zealand hop and British malts create a light, fruity and refreshing experience. So it's summer days. So that I'm looking forward to as well. I'm going to miss Brew Republic. It was my first subscription. Quantock Brewery. I've had one for them as well. This is a single hopped pale and it's obsessed with Sabro, so that's Sabro hops obviously. Fierce IPA, an India Pale Ale, 5.2%, and that is from the brewery's called Fierce Beer, and they are in Aberdeen, where Brewdog is. So I'm looking forward to that. I haven't had one for them either. Really nice. I'm looking forward to that. Another Utopian unfiltered British lager. I've had that one. Probably one of the best lagers I've ever had, I think. So I've already reviewed that. Too late, there's a lot of beers here. Tiny Rebel. Everybody's reviewing Tiny Rebel. Guess what? I've never had anything from them. So this is a $5 shake. Creamy Citra IPA. 4.5% ABV. That might be first. And last but not least, Calvor's Dry Hopped Lager. Light, hoppy and crisp. I think I had a dry hopped lager last night. Try to remember, I'll put that in. So, what a great haul. Really looking forward to these. As I say, it's very sad that they're closing. We'll see what they do with Laithwaite's. I will have a look at that to see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Christmas Day every day. I'll see you next time, hopefully. Ta-ta for now. Cheers, my dears.